Hello everyone. Today we shall talk about something that is transforming the way we live and work, the Internet of Things or IoT. IoT is a network of connected devices that communicate with each other and make intelligent decisions without human intervention. It is a key technology behind Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution, where automation, real-time data and AI-driven systems are shaping industries. From smart homes to energy management and even intelligent cities, IoT is everywhere. Today, I'll be talking about how IoT is making homes more convenient, energy smarter, and cities more efficient. Imagine walking up in a house where your lights automatically turn on, your coffee starts brewing, and your thermostat adjusts to the perfect temperature, all without you lifting a finger. This is the power of IoT in smart homes. It makes life more convenient, more secure, and more energy efficient. Smart applications like refrigerators can now track what's inside, suggest recipes, and even order groceries for you. Smart assistants like Alexa and Google Home can control multiple devices using just your voice. For security, smart clocks with fingerprint recognition, CCTV cameras with AI detection, and motion sensors provide real-time monitoring, even when you are away. And let's not forget energy efficiency. Smart lighting systems turn off automatically when you leave the room, and smart thermostat optimizes heating and cooling, reducing electricity bills. With IoT, homes are not just places we live in. They are intelligent, automated environments that adapt to our needs. Now, let's talk about smart energy, because energy efficiency is one of the biggest challenges today. IoT is helping us monitor, optimize and reduce energy consumption to build a more sustainable future. Smart meters provide real-time electricity usage data, helping users adjust their consumption and cut down on waste. Smart grids powered by IoT and AI distribute electricity more efficiently, preventing power shortages and blackouts. IoT is also making renewable energy more effective. For example, Tesla's Powerwall stores excess solar energy, so homes and businesses can use it when needed, reducing dependency on traditional power sources. In industries, IoT sensors monitor machine performance, helping factories reduce energy waste and lower carbon emissions. With IoT, energy systems are becoming smarter, greener, and more efficient. Now, let's think bigger, beyond homes and energy. Let's talk about smart cities. Imagine living in a city where traffic congestion is reduced, waste is effectively managed, and everything runs seamlessly. That's the vision of IoT-powered smart cities. For transportation, smart traffic signals adjust based on real-time data, reducing wait times and congestion. Autonomous vehicles like Tesla's self-driving cars use IoT sensors to navigate safety, reducing accidents. Finding parking is also easier with smart parking systems. It uses IoT sensors to show available spaces through mobile apps. And it's not just about traffic. IoT is improving waste management too. Smart garbage bins and alerts when they are full, ensuring efficient collection and a cleaner city. Governments are also using IoT to monitor air quality, improve water management, and optimize emergency responses. The Internet of Things is shaping our future, from smart homes that make life easier to intelligent energy systems that reduce waste. To smart cities that improve urban living, IoT is revolutionizing the world around us. And with AI, 5G and blockchain security advancing, IoT will only become more powerful and more integrated into our lives. So, how do you see IoT transforming the world in the next 10 years? Thank you.